I have an important update to make about the solar panels. If you just watched the installation video, you will know that we installed two 36 volt solar panels in a series connection. And we thought that the 36 volts would be the maximum the solar panels would produce. So in order to get less amps and more voltage, to get the least amount of power loss in the cables, we chose this series connection and thought that it would get up, the maximum they would produce would be 72 volts. Turns out that's not correct. They produce a lot more than the 36 volts they are, their name suggests. And we've seen on the app from the MPPT that they produce together up to dangerously close to 100 volts. The Victron MPPT we have is a 100/20, meaning that it can handle up to a maximum of 100 volts. Then we also learned the hard way that if it's really cold outside and it's clear sky and maximum amount of sun, then they will produce above the 100 volts, and then hi Simba, garage dog. Then it breaks the MPPT. When researching all of this, we also found out that the solar panels will actually be more effective when they are parallel connected. If, for example, one of the panels are in a shadow and the other one has sun, then it actually works better when in parallel connection. Because when the MPPT broke, we could choose two things. We could either buy one that could handle more voltage. That would be more expensive. Or we could buy those small connectors, so we could parallel connect the solar panels. Also, that's a very short distance from the solar panels down to the MPPT. Then the power loss with more amps would be such a little difference. So that's what we did. We got a new MPPT in the same size, and we parallel connected them. We also installed a circuit breaker so we can shut off the solar panels if we need to. The MPPT must have connection with the battery. It gets its power externally, not from the solar panels, so it must be connected to the battery when it receives power from the solar panels. Before this whole installation, we watched a lot of YouTube videos to learn about how this all works. And I wish some of those in these videos had said that they produce more voltage than they say. The voltage that it says it produces is the working voltage. That would have been good to know, so that's why I'm making this video, so you don't watch our first video, think it's that way, and then make the same mistake as we did. So I really hope you watched this video if you just watched the first one. I just want to quickly show you what it looks like back here with the MPPT. As you can see it, we now have that big circuit breaker. I just really wanted to make this video and tell you about this mistake so you don't go out and make the same mistake. I hope you found this interesting and that you got something out of it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.